Ona thengia wa arigitani kwiru makini gutire hindi megucoka wira nginyagia mendekithia mao mahingio mao ni wonekanite to guthite ihiga thutha wa President William Ruto kurekereria miario no omothe.
We have a doctor's challenge. We can hardly pay because we've said, you know, there are real issues we want to deal with. You have leaders who it is in their place, including governors, saying we support the doctor's strike. Really? If you support the doctor's strike, pay the money they are asking for.
Miario yake ironekana gukirira atongoria na magavana aria makoretwo makiariria king'ang'a-ini makenyita mbaru mugomo uyu akiuga thirikari ndiri na mbeca cia kuriha arigitani aya mishara iria marendekithia.
We must stop chasing what is popular. We must go after what is right.
Ihinda-ini riu nake Minista wa UGIMA wa MWIRI Susan Nakumicha ari mbere ya bunge ya Senate gucokia ciuria ciegie morito maria magumeire sekta ino ya UGIMA wa MWIRI na makiria mugomo wa arigitani ni atheretie na kuuga Ministry ya UGIMA wa MWIRI ni ihaririirie kunanira NJUNG'WA na arigitani kwaririria kuiguithaniria na gwikiranira ngirimiti njeru edeti iria ya mwaka wa 2017 akiuga yo yatigire kuruti mwaka wa 2021.
The ministry is also ready to negotiate on the CBA, that is the new CBA, because the CBA under KMPDU, it lapsed in 2021. But we are aware that from the Ministry of Labour is that once a CBA lapses, until a new one is signed, that is when it comes into effect.
Nakumicha augete gukinyeria riu ministry ni yambiriirie gutuma wira arigitani a interns kundu gutiganite na mihango ino no irathie na mbere no akauga interns aya ni aingi makiria kuona thukuru cia guthomithania urigitani ni cingihite gukira tene.
The Ministry of Health is reviewing the internship policy to address aspects of the program, including the need to transit to internship without any delay. As it is now, what we are experiencing, the interns who have been out, some have been out for more than a year. And this actually delays them from getting the license that they need to practice.
Ihinda-ini riu Nakumicha augite thiri uria ruhonge rwa NHIF rutarihitwo ni ciringi bilioni 30 na hari mbeca ici nyingi ciacio ni cia kuma kuri honge cia thirikari. Ni aheanite mwihoko ati thirikari ni kurekereria gicunji kimwe gia kigina giki kiumia-ini giki kiria gikuriha imwe cia thibitari iria NHIF itarihite mathire mao morigitani. Akiuria mathibitari matige gucokithia arwaru magetigira mbeca ciao kura kuona ni mekurihwo.
And out of this 30 billion, Senator, 22 billion is from government institutions. There is a plan for release of resources, which I have confirmed that we are going to receive this week. The PS actually got confirmation yesterday of the 8.5 billion. And this money is going to be put to prudent use of payment of claims.
Riu wagwetererwo ni kana arigitani aya ni mekuoya moko iguru na metikire gucoka wira kuona no makoretwo makirutirwo mikana ya kurwo ni mawira mao. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.